Hi friends, this is Monica Bansal from Bullseye. Today our topic is Trigonometric Ratios Part 2. Before watching this video, it is recommended that you go through Trigo 1. So this is advanced level. Before starting the session, let's have an overview. First of all, we will try to learn some formulas. These formulas are based on these trigonometric ratios which we have discussed in part 1. Then there will be some solved examples. Then there will be a practice exercise and the answer key. So let us start. First of all, these formulas, we call them AB formulas. First formula says cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Then cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Then we have A plus B formula but with sin. It says sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Then we have sin A minus B, that is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So you should remember these formulas. Now coming to this question, that is a formula based question only. It says evaluate sin 54 degree cos 6 degree plus cos 54 degree sin 6 degree. If we take 54 as A and 6 as B, it becomes sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We know that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is nothing but sin A plus B. So this will be sin 54 plus 6 degree, which is equal to sin 60 degree. And we know that sin 60 degree is what? By table we can say that this is root 3 by 2 and this is the answer. Very easy question. A formula based question only. Now there are formulas on multiple angle. The very first formula says sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. See, we have 2 theta here, but we have theta here. Now we have cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then we have tan 2 theta formula, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Then we have sin 3 theta formula. It says 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. See, previous 3 formulas, they were on 2 theta. Now these 3 formulas, they are based on 3 theta, multiple angle. Now cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now moving to another formulas, important. We call them CD formulas. Sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Then we have sin C minus sin D. See, these angles are switched. So it becomes 2 sin C minus D by 2 cos C plus D by 2. Third cos formula, cos C plus cos D. This is equal to cos 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. And the fourth formula, which is mistake prone, cos C minus cos D. In this formula only, this part is changed. Previously we had C minus D by 2. Now we have D minus C by 2. So it says cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. In some books, this is written as 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Why so? Because sin minus theta, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. That the full concept we have discussed in part 1. Now question. It says if sin 5 theta minus sin 3 theta upon cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta is equal to tan x, find x. So I am taking this expression. Simply you can see in the numerator we have sin C minus sin D. What is sin C minus sin D? that is 2 cos 5 theta plus 3 theta by 2 sine 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2, that is the numerator. Now denominator, it is cos c plus cos d. So it will give you 2 cos 3 theta plus 5 theta by 2 cos, whether you write 3 theta minus 5 theta or 5 theta minus 3 theta, it will not affect the T ratio, because in the fourth quadrant cosine is always positive. Again, I'll say to understand this concept, go to part 1. So I'm writing this as 5 theta minus 3 theta by 2. Now these parts are cancelled. So now what is sine 5 theta minus 3 theta? What is 5 theta minus 3 theta? That is 2 theta. By 2 it will give you theta. So it becomes sine theta division by cos theta, which you know as tan theta. So the whole expression reduces to tan theta. So if tan x is equal to tan theta, what will be x? X will be theta, obviously. So what is the answer? X is theta. Now the next question. Question says, find tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree, so on up to tan 89 degree. So let us see. It is tan 1, tan 2, so on up to somewhere between. We will have tan 44, then tan 45, tan 46, tan 88, tan 89. See, there are 89 terms because we are starting the series from angle 1 and we are going up to 89. Now I am clubbing first and last term, tan 1 and tan 89. What is the usage of this? As we know that tan 90 minus theta, this is cot theta. You can go to part 1 video to understand this concept. So we can say that tan 89 is nothing but cot 1. So tan 1 is clubbed with the last term, which was tan 89, which we can write as cot 1. So they will be cancelled. Why? Because cot is reciprocal of tan. So with the first term, last term is cancelled. With the second term, second last term is cancelled. With the same logic, 44th term will be cancelled with 46th term. We are left with only tan 45. So it will be 1 into 1 into 1, so on up to into tan 45. Now what is tan 45? Again 1. So what is the answer in this case? It should be 1 always. Very frequent question. So you should remember the logic. Now coming to the next question. Medium 1. It says, if sine square x plus sine x minus 1 is equal to 0, find value of cos raised to power 8x plus 2 cos x its power 6 plus cos x raised to power 4. Time to use the identities. This thing can be written as sin x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. As we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So it will become cos square x. So sin x is equal to cos square x according to the given condition. Now coming to the expression. See this. If we consider cos raised to power 4x as a and cos square x as b, so this is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is a plus b whole square. So this is nothing but the given expression cos raised to power 4x plus cos square x, its square formula. Now coming to this side, sin x is cos square x. So cos raised to power 4x, I am taking square on both sides. It will give you sin square x. So it will become sin square x plus cos square x, its whole square. Now inside we have identity which is 1 always. So 1 square is 1 always. So this sum was nothing but manipulation of all the identities and formulas. Now the next thing. Now you have some practice questions. Almost the similar question we have done. And these are the answers. For more such videos and concepts, log on to hitbullseye.com. Happy learning. Thank you.